guys, I'm Ishita and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I make videos about fashion, styling and lifestyle. In case you're interested in watching that kind of content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also head over back to my channel homepage and check out all my other videos. I'm sure you will enjoy watching them. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys my shoe collection. Now, I have sort of collected all these 36 pairs over time. I mean like 6-7 years since I've been in like undergrad, which is why I have so many shoes, and I wanted to sort of like discard some of them now which I don't wear, or some that I have and I've never worn. So I thought, why not just like film a video on my collection as well, because so many of you asked me for it. But before I jump right into it, I have something super exciting to share with you guys. I finally got my silver play button, all thanks to you guys. I received it yesterday in mail. It's been about a month since I crossed 1 lakh subscribers, but I just received it and I'm super excited to open it and unbox it for you guys. So let's do that now. I mean when I got it, I did sort of like take a sneak peek of it, but I haven't opened it completely because I wanted to show it to you guys as well. So you open it and this is a little note that says congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Then we have this black sheet. It's packed really well though, so I am super impressed. And of course then they have the letter over here. It is a printed letter. I wish it was a little more personalized, but it's printed. I mean, it's okay. And then we finally have the award right here. It's in this plastic thingy. Okay, so it says presented to Ishita Khanna for passing 1 lakh subscribers from YouTube, and it's obviously really good quality, and it's got a hanging option as well at the back. I don't know if I'm going to hang it. I still have to figure out where I want to put this. We'll see, but you'll see a lot more of it in my video frames for sure. Yeah, that's about it. So this is my silver play button, and I'm so thankful for you guys, for me to be able to achieve this. I really hope I keep growing and you guys keep supporting me. I mean, I've been waiting for it for so long and I finally got it. I'm so happy to be sharing it with you guys. So let's quickly put this aside and show you guys my shoe collection. By the way guys, I've also done a must-have footwear haul which you guys must check out. I'm going to link it down in the description box for you guys. For now, I'm going to head over to where all the shoes are kept and I'm going to show my collection to you guys. You guys must have heard of Vaporwort, by the way. I used to drink a lot of it back in my college canteen. I used to love their Amras and Jaljeela flavor. I feel like Vaporwort is one of those only drinks that give you that Indian authentic taste, which I haven't found in a lot of beverages, like especially in the Indian market. I've been trying the kanji flavor recently. My grandmom actually used to make back in her time. It's basically black carrots soaked in mustard seed with a little bit of chili powder. I'm sure a lot of your grandmoms also used to make it. Let me know in the comments down below if you've had this before. In case you haven't, you should totally give this a try. It's got no sugar, no preservatives, and it's also a great probiotic drink, which is why I'm going to keep it handy while I'm showing you all these shoes, because I may get a little thirsty. In case you guys do want to pick it up, I'm going to link it down below for you guys. It might even take you down your memory lane if your grandmoms used to make it for you. But for now, let's jump right into the shoes. So I'm going to start off with the sneakers first, and then I have heels and then flats on this side. So starting off with the sneakers, the first one that I've absolutely been loving and wearing too much right now are the pair of these Adidas sneakers. These are called Derupt sneakers if I'm not wrong, and I got them from Dubai, from the factory outlet. So I got them at a really good price actually. I don't remember the exact price though. These are a little off-white with like a purple border down here, and I absolutely love them. I'm wearing them a lot lately. Next one that I wear a lot are actually these Adidas sneakers. They look pretty worn out because it's been over 2-3 years since I've had these, and I've worn them like too many times. The next pair that I have is my, another one. I haven't worn this too often, but these are the Truffle Collection pair of sneakers. I featured them in my must-have footwear haul. Got them recently, that's why they're super white, but I haven't worn them like as much. I will probably wear them now because my other ones are like kind of worn out now. Right now, prices I really don't remember. Just gonna show you what I have. Next up that I wear a lot are these H&M sneakers. These are the chunky H&M sneakers. Again, worn them too many times and too often, which is why they are slightly worn out as well. I think it's time to like upgrade my sneaker collection. Moving on to the next one, I have these Michael Kors sneakers. I haven't worn them a lot. I got them pretty much like about 3 years back, 2.5, 3 years back. They give me shoe bites actually, but they look pretty cool. I really like them, especially because they are a neutral color, so I can wear them with almost everything. I don't wear them like on everyday basis, but I do wear them occasionally. Next up we have, okay, these are not sneakers, but I have these Oxford shoes. I got them for actually a video, the Kendall Jenner recreation video, and I haven't worn them ever since. So I am like double-minded if I should give these away or if I should keep them. I kind of like them though, but I haven't got a chance to wear these yet. But anyway, these are from a brand called Dressberry. If I can find the link, I will link it down below for you guys. I think these were it for my sneakers. I have about like 5 pairs of sneakers right now, and 1 pair of Oxford shoes, and last pair of whatever sneakers or whatever shoes you call them. These are my gym shoes. These I have had since over like 4.5, 5 years, yeah, and they're pretty in good condition, and I wear them whenever I work out. That was it for my shoes. Anything with laces I've covered. Now let's move on to heels, my favorite part of my shoe collection. What I have, the first one that I have are these black heels from Shuffle Collection. I got them recently, it's been a couple of months. I needed like, yeah, they've got like dust on them, so ignore that because they haven't seen daylight for a very long time because I haven't gotten the chance to go out that often. These have like kitten heels, tinier heels, not kitten exactly, but they have tiny heels, so they're pretty comfortable. I also have another pair of black heels which are from H&M. These are open toe ones. Another black pair of pumps that I have are from Dorothy Perkins. I recently got this, again featured in my must-have footwear haul. These were actually one size bigger. I need to figure if I can actually do some jugaad and wear these, or again I might have to give these away as well. I actually do plan to do another thrift sale super soon from my wardrobe collection, so watch out for that. I may feature some of these shoes on that thrift sale. Moving on to the next pair of heels, we have these animal print. Oh, I love these. These are so comfortable and so chic. These are from Zara, and these are the animal print heels. Again, the heel height is not much, so it's very comfortable as well. I don't think they were on sale, but they were not very expensive. I think 2790 or something, that was the price for these. So another pair of heels here. These are block heels, and I have these are also like little animal printish, but these are grey and black. These are from a brand called Corsica. You might have seen it in my footwear haul video, like my first footwear haul video. I featured in that, and these are pretty, again, neutral colors, so I usually wear them with everything possible. Moving on, wait, I have something in my back. Okay, again, another pair of black and white heels. I seem to have a lot of black and white and grey heels. So this is another one. This is from the brand Must and Harbor. These were again featured in my footwear haul video. Do check out that footwear haul video as well. Okay, I have 2 more heels left, which are right behind me. These are, oh my god, these are like really old heels, probably like 6, 7 years old, but I still wear them for mostly my photos and videos. I don't really wear them out because they're kind of dirty, but I have to tell you this, I got them for 600 rupees or like 700 rupees in like a thrift store in Bandra, in like a local store in Bandra, and I got the same in red as well, which my sister has taken now. I only got the red because it was like, oh my god, just 600 bucks, such great heels, gonna pick them up, and they've lasted me so freaking long. I wore them too much in college and they still stand by me, so I love these. And the last pair of heels that I have are these aqua blue, I don't know what exactly, it's like a really light blue color pair of heels. These are from the brand All About You by Deepika Padukone. Really nice. I love the color of these. These are very like elegant and chic looking, so really like these as well. I think that covers my heels. Oh no, I still have more heels, wait. Okay, I got these from Mango recently, like a couple of days back in fact. These are block heels. I'm trying to get more of these block and wedged heels because they're way more comfortable. I haven't worn these yet. You'll probably see these in one of my Instagram posts, so do go follow me on my Instagram feed as well. Gonna link it on the screen for you, my handle, so you guys should follow me there. So these are heels from Mango, and I have two nude pair of heels. One is from Truffle Collection. Nude heels are actually kind of difficult to maintain. I try to get them dry cleaned as much as I can and keep them clean. And the other nude heels that I have are from H&M. So yeah, I think now that covers my entire collection of heels. Now let's move on to like flats and sandals. Okay, so for the flats and sandals, I'm going to start off with the ballerinas first, the ballerinas that I have. This is the recent purchase that I got from a brand called Add-ons. These are pretty comfortable, really nice. They have a cushiony footbed, so really like these. And the next pair of ballerinas that I have are from H&M, very old. Husky, move! These are pretty old. I mean, they've become pretty dirty also now, so time to I probably discard these. The third pair of ballerinas that I have actually have this strap thingy on it, and they have like a cutout floral design in the front. Then I have some sliders. I have these from Forever 21. These are white sliders. I usually wear them if I just have to step out for like groceries or something like that. And I have another pair of sliders which I absolutely love. Got them from Ajio. These are the first slides and they are pretty comfortable, and they were like for 900 bucks or something. So a pretty good buy as well. Then I have these from Zara. These have a chain thingy on them, and again I wear them for either for like office. I remember when I used to go to office, I used to wear these a lot. Then I have these floral slides as well, super pretty. They have these flowers on it. It's beige colored, so it's neutral and goes with literally everything. I really like these. They're very cute. I think that's about it. No, I have one more pair of sliders. These are also beige. These I haven't worn as much because I recently got them and I haven't got the chance to wear, but I love the color. You will notice that I have mostly neutral colors in my collection. I don't have anything like popping bright like that. Okay, I just have like one or two sandals left now. These are again very old. These are from Forever 21, but these have lasted me so long and pretty comfortable to wear as well. And then I have another pair of sandals from Dressberry. These are beige, a mix of beige, pink and brown. Again, not worn these too often yet, but hopefully when I start going out more, I will wear these a lot more. I just have two more things left, and that's mostly for like Indian wear. This is from a brand called Jivana. I sort of did a collaboration with them, so I got these from them, and these have a very pretty floral print on it. I haven't got the chance to wear Indian wear too often yet, only for weddings and stuff, so this is when these come out and then I wear them. I have one in floral print and the other one in red color. And lastly, I have three pair of boots with me. These are from Truffle Collection. These are like my go-to winter shoes of all time. I have featured them in so many of my winter wear videos. You guys must have seen it. I love the fact that they're lace-up boots with zip and they are block heels, so they're super comfortable, and I can wear them the entire freaking day. So I absolutely love them. They are obviously slightly getting worn out now, so time for me to replace these as well. The second pair of boots that I have are from Zara. I got these about a couple of months back, very recent, so they are pretty much in good condition and again super comfortable. I prefer my boots to be like block heels and not like stilettos, so that I can wear them all day long. And the last pair of boots that I have are these thigh-high boots from H&M. I'm going to show you guys a picture of it on the screen. I wore them in a couple of my videos and like Instagram as well. So these are again very comfortable and pretty good quality as well. I just hope that they last me pretty long. I know leather tends to chip off very easily, so I hope that doesn't happen with this. So that was about it for my shoe collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you requested for my shoe collection, so I hope you guys watch this video, share this video, hit that like button. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe as well. And once again, I want to thank you guys so much for helping me hit that 1 lakh milestone and getting my silver play button. The journey has just begun for me, so it's only gonna go uphill from here, hopefully. And yeah, I just want to tell you guys that I love you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.